Welcome to another video. Well, I said I'm away for a few days, and for a few days. I mean for about 12 days. And there's any noise. It's coming from outside. But anyways, today we're going to look at the prospect because we already have free change confirmed for 2026. Free engine related changes. Two of them are engine related changes, and one of them is that Red Bull is going to have Ford Power. I mean, the Red Bull Powertrain Ford, or however they're going to name it. Nevertheless, I think that in short review, I think that I can say that Ford is going to try and have the type of success that with the Cosworth engine. If you don't know the Cosworth engine, Cosworth is the third most successful engine in the history of Formula One, only beaten by Ferrari and Renault to world championships. And then, of course, equal with Mercedes engine. And I think they finally came back with Ford, maybe not as a team or as a Ford Cosworth engine, but I think they're going to have some success to the leverage. Yeah, some people are excited for to be back into Formula One. Some are not, but the whole idea is that yeah, Red Bull don't. I mean, they have Honda. They help them with the powertrains, but I do think that they wanted exactly when we need the strong engine with the new regulations in 2026. They need a new supplier. The same with Aston Martin, with Honda. If you don't know, and then yeah, and then I think there are going to be more changes. I predict because I think I think much of the teams that don't produce their own engines are going to try and learn all about an engine. For example, the supplier's engine or another engine, or get another engine supplier and learn about them quickly, because of course 2026 is going to be important in this engine kind of side. And then I think Red Bull might want to continue their glory. I mean, they tried for the Cosworth engine at the beginning of their relationship, but they didn't. Of course, they didn't continue. The beginning of their let's say career, or the beginning of in their first few seasons in Formula One, let's say this, and then they moved to Toro Rosso Ferrari, and then of course Toro Rosso has Ferrari, and then they also has Ferrari engine, and just wait a minute, okay, and basically yeah, I think that they want to come back from where they came after the Honda and RBPT and so on. They wanted to come back from when they were to a strong supplier, the supplier which makes the cars really good, and it's fairly popular. And yeah, I think that this is why Red Bull might have chosen for now. I know how good they're going to be for. I can't say how good So until probably we'll see pre-season testing in 2026. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye.